So this is about monohybrid cross. So according to monohybrid cross, Mendel proposed two laws, right? Law of dominance and law of segregation. We'll see what are these two laws. So law of dominance indicates that whenever the two alleles is present, one allele will be dominant over another allele, right? So first law is law of dominance. Remember these two law of dominance and law of segregation, they are based on monohybrid cross. Okay, so monohybrid cross के बाद मेंडल दो लॉ प्रपोज किए, लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस एंड लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन. So law of dominance states that whenever two allele is present, one will be dominant and one will be recessive. Means one will express their feature. Okay, so out of two alleles, one allele will express their feature. Okay, so for example, if R and small r is present, okay, if capital R and small r, they are the two alleles. अगर किसी कंडीशन में ये दो एलिल प्रेजेंट है, राइट? ओके, तो here this R, this capital R will be dominant over small r. Okay, this capital R will be dominant over small r. Okay, next, if capital T, small t is present, so this capital T, right? So this will result into tall character. Okay, तो जब भी ये कंडीशन प्रेजेंट होगा किसी भी प्लांट में, so it will result into tall plant. Okay, why? Because this capital T is dominant over small t, right? So this is law of dominance. Okay, for example, if these two conditions is present, sorry, if this condition is present, capital T, small t, which one will be dominant? So here both will be dominant. So both will express character, means it will give tall plant. Okay, so this is law of dominance. Next law is law of segregation. What is law of segregation? So whenever the alleles, right, when they are forming gamete, जब कोई भी alleles से gamete, तो कोई भी allele जब gamete form करता है, this gamete they will segregate from each other, right? Not this gamete, this allele when they are forming gamete, they will segregate from each other. Okay, means for example, this capital T, small t, right? So whenever they are forming gamete, whenever this allele, okay, whenever they form gamete, these two alleles will segregate from each other, right? Means they will divide, right? Not divide, means they will separate from each other. Okay, segregate means separation of gametes, alleles. Okay, so here capital T will be separated from small t, means this capital T, small t, they produces two type of gametes, capital T and small t. Okay, and they will move further into fertilization process. Okay, so this is law of segregation. So we can write that alleles, they segregate during gamete formation. Segregate or separate during gamete formation. Okay, so alleles they segregate or separate during gamete formation, right? So these two are the laws proposed by Mendel after monohybrid cross, right? So we'll see few topics are there based on this monohybrid cross. Okay, right? So first we'll see codominance. Right. So before codominance, there is incomplete dominance. What is incomplete dominance? So here one example is there in your NCERT, right? Example is fruit color of snapdragon. Fruit color or flower color? flower color of snapdragon. And this flower color of snapdragon is controlled by R gene. Okay, flower color, they are controlled by R gene, right? So, so alleles will be present in genes, right? So in one gene there can be two alleles. R gene, they control flower color of snapdragon. If in snapdragon, if capital R alleles are present, right? So this will give red color flower in snapdragon. If in snapdragon अगर कैपिटल आर और स्मॉल आर प्रेजेंट होता है स्नैपड्रैगन के फ्लावर में, तो दिस विल गिव पिंक कलर फ्लावर. ओके, और अगर स्मॉल आर प्रेजेंट है, दिस विल गिव वाइट कलर फ्लावर. So this is similar to monohybrid cross, right? So what scientists did, they took R, capital R flower, red color flower of snapdragon, and they fertilize or cross pollinate this with small r or white color flower of snapdragon. So from this R gamete is produced, from this small r gametes produced with, okay. So in F1 generation, when they fertilize, capital R heterozygous condition, right? So after that they self-pollinate, means selfing takes place, right? So result of selfing, so we'll make Punnett square. So capital R, small r, here capital R, small r, right? So it is similar to monohybrid cross, but here the flower color in F2 generation, the flower color in F2 generation is different, right? So Mendel accepted that the flower color will be either red or white, but here the two conditions, the two heterozygous conditions, the capital R and the small r, right? So they produce pink color flower, okay? So here the phenotypic ratio, the external ratio, right, produced by this cross in F2 generation is 1:2:1. Why 1:2:1? Because one is homozygous condition, means red flower, 2 is heterozygous condition, okay, pink color flower, and 1 is white colored flower. Okay, so this is incomplete dominance.